Hi guys, it's Ryan here. Today we're going to go collect some Yamadori Hawthorns with a good friend of mine, Robert Aktinson. He should be here soon, like the next hour, so I'll just take video footage as we're going on the phone and see the size of the buggers he's cut out, because apparently he says keep fit, it's going to be a hard dig, so we'll see you soon. So the birch I got this year. Some more hawthorns this year. That one was buried in a swamp, that one. Black getting it out. Walk, kept it this year. Another one. Oh, nice big hawthorn we got last year. Christmas Eve. Big chunky one last year. Another birch I got this year. And there's a hawthorn for you. Got that Christmas Eve. Call that one the Komodo dragon. So we'll see what Rob's got planned. I'll just get some videos as we're going. We'll see you soon.
It's a little bit straighter than mine, but it's got lovely undulations in there in the trunk. Do you know what I mean? Alright.
Well, we'll have to get these bad boys out. I think we've got some digging ahead. You weren't joking.
No, I wasn't joking. But all the smaller ones are too straight. Welcome to Hawthorns Bonsai. We're just going to do a little bit of collecting today. I'm going to try and explain the reason why we cut the hawthorn back just to stumps. Because they're grown around us in very, very high trees, so they don't get any light. So most stuff down below dies. So what we do is we cut them back. When we cut them back, they start to pop on the trunk all the time, everywhere. So this is now prime time to collect the hawthorn. We do it earlier as well, but because of the growth and the lack of light, when the actual spring comes around, if we collect them through the middle of the winter, when spring does come around, the light reacts onto the trunk and creates the tree stump with anyhow. And we found where we're collecting these trees from, because of the furrows, what they're growing in, we get a fantastic root system. Always good roots. So we'll leave it at this and we'll show you a few more pictures later on when we get this little beast out. Thank you.
Bobby doing all the work. Oh, Bobby, stick your tongue out.
Bloody typical.
It's a root ball you want, lads.
Exactly. Tons of fibrous. I think it's down to where the trees grow in the turrets. Keeps them higher off the ground. Your taproot goes to one side because it's all clay underneath, so it goes flat. We'll show you the one later on from last year, how much it's budded and grown.
We're in a secret location.
Bobby's special collection site.
Hey, we'll be back there.
One to go.
Couple of little hawthorns collected. Trying to watch the road rope.
Get in.
Well, there's one done. One to go, mate.
So, one done. We're going to go to Ryan's now and do his over his house. I'm just showing you this because last year everybody says, well, you've got them and you've got no twig on them, you've not no growth on them. These trees, because of where they're growing and they're not getting any light from the canopy, once you get them out into the light, they bud crazily. This tree is one of them we got last year, and it's already got all this growth and twig. So it's really, really grown strong. And I've actually cut these all back by about 8 to 12 inches. My theory now is the tree for this is going to be a single tree. That's my new leader going to be down here. That's not going to be part of the design now, so I'm going to take an earlier off here this year, an earlier off a little one this year, and an earlier off there. All them 3 trees will come off this year. So the following next 2 years I'll start to do the carving, and I'll just let the rest of the tree underneath the carving grow till I get my branch structure.
Right, time to start doing this. So, I'm not bore you with the details of washing the roots off or repotting it. I'll just give you a look when it's done. Right, back in a bit. Right guys, that's the tree that my rope collector is here in the hawthorn corner with the rest of the stuff. Yeah, just needs a good water and hopefully it grows. So I'll water this and I'll catch you on the next one.